Hello all traders, today is Friday 28th of February 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If we look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price after yesterday's sharp decline was in narrow volatile range during the Asian and also London session, fluctuating around the previous day close and low and past these levels few times. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go down and bounce back sharply. So our plan of action for today was to wait for the volatility to calm down and take long position at the support level or sell short position at the resistance level with setup B or C. And that's what happened. And when I came back around 9:40, the price already tested the resistance level few times and got rejected and was about to go down and had a deep pullback. So that's the area here that I took sell short positions with setup C on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500, and I exit in the middle area of channel for quick scalp because of high volatility and the price being close to these support levels that could be rejected easily and bounce back. So all these sell short positions were closed with profit, and you see the statistics and performance of this account, which was positive. And as you see, we reached profit factor of 99, which is coming from 100% win rate, all from 4 sell short positions taken. And the average winning trades were 383 and the largest winning trade was $665. So that's the summary of trades that I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small 5K CFD prop firm account, I had only one trade on Nasdaq. So when I took sell short positions here on the futures prop firm accounts, I waited for a deeper pullback. And when the price got rejected on this shadowish candle here, I entered here one sell short positions with setup C on Nasdaq, but it didn't go through. And instead buyers suddenly pushed the price higher and it was closed with a stop loss which was set here on the upper area of the channel. And after that the market became very choppy, unpredictable, and you see that with this high volatility and megaphone pattern, we're not allowed to trade this market because it has no direction and is highly volatile and can lead to major losses. So with this trade today, our total balance is now $73.04 with the profit factor of 2.19, and the stat shows that from 203 trades taken, so far we had 165 winners that resulted in 81.28% win rate. So with these win rates, we had 23 consecutive winners that resulted in $31 gains and 3 consecutive losses that resulted in $3 loss. Our largest winning trade was $11.36 and the largest losing trade was $16.11. And this shows the equity curve of the second stage of the challenge, which is growing consistently. But in the past 2 days, we had 2 losses that resulted in $21 loss, which accounts with 0.4% drawdown, which is very normal. And the percentage of the active drawdown of the account has never gone below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the 5% daily loss limit imposed by the prop firm. So since the market volatility has changed significantly, and you can see it from the daily chart that is not moving as smoothly like before, that we had clear trend with small daily and hourly shadows. And you can see here from the pattern of all these shadows that goes down but get rejected and goes up and again get rejected and goes down. So this kind of highly volatile megaphone pattern that you see here or in this area, as I mentioned, is not tradable. So I'm gonna observe the market on Monday and see if the pattern becomes smooth and trendy again. And since this challenge is unlimited and has no deadline to finish, if we see that the market volatility is getting higher, we will take limited light positions or not trade till the market becomes trendy and smooth like before. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small 5K CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.